It's 29 current on a 2010 Honda registered off of 8th Street.
5975 University behind the food for less. The suspects are going to be driving a...
Alright, 2 are out, running northbound towards El Cajon.
On 54th Street.
10 for running north.
There'll be a 245 shooting.
Running with a gun in his hand northbound towards El Cajon.
Alright, just getting El Cajon now, made a westbound turn El Cajon.
Westbound on El Cajon.
Still running westbound, coming up to, well, still westbound, south curve line, right by the Cafe Glen.
Westbound south curve line by the Cafe Glen.
Looks like a short sleeve shirt, shorts, and a baseball hat. Still has a gun in his hand.
With a gun in his hand.
Officers are confirming.
Alright, still westbound, south curve line.
Westbound on the south curve line.
Running across the street now, north curve line, El Cajon Boulevard.
North curve line, El Cajon Boulevard.
Food lot, cops are in pursuit.
Units are behind him, still running northbound in the parking lot to the fast food restaurant. Can't get to any of it now.
So here for the...
Northbound in the parking lot.
3 units behind him, still making his way eastbound behind the business.
I think the units are okay with it.
Eastbound.
Now on the east side of the business, wrapping back towards El Cajon Boulevard.
Your phone?
114 Victor?
Yeah, I'll grab it.
Back
Hold
towards
on.
CCV.
This is the Yoshinoya. He's just running around this building here. 3 officers in pursuit. West side now.
On the west side.
Running through the drive-thru, just tripped and fell. 3 units are on him.
10 for.
Still running. Now we're going to be on the north side. He's given up now. Proned out on the north side of the business. Threw the gun.
Or he threw the gun and he's
Shots fired. Fired.
Shots fired. Shots fired.
Shots fired. We're going to be on the north side of the Yoshinoya in the green belt area right behind the business.
Drop the weapon! Drop the weapon! Drop the weapon! Get on the ground! Get on the ground! Get on the ground! Stop! Stop! Stop!
Guys, get back! Slow it down, slow it down! Get on the ground!
Get on the ground!
Gun!
Get on the ground!
Drop the gun! Drop the gun! Don't point at me! Drop the gun! Drop the gun! Drop the gun now! Shots fired, shots fired, shots fired, shots fired.
Don't move! Get on the ground! Get on the ground!
Drop the gun!
Get on the ground!
Drop the gun! Drop the gun! Don't point it at me! Drop the gun!
Drop the gun!
Drop the gun!
Drop the gun, I will shoot!
Drop the gun now! Shots fired, shots fired, shots fired, shots fired. Get your hands behind your back!
Get the hands behind your back!
Hands behind your back! Hands behind your back!
Hands on, roll over.
Roll over now!
Go hands on. Go hands on. Hold on, just wait. Roll over your stomach! Get on your stomach!
'31 rolling medic, subject hit.